Hello, my friend, and welcome to the Path English. I'm happy you are here today. Today's practice is special. You will not only train your English, you will also train the way you think about money, work, and freedom. In this session, you will listen, repeat, and speak with me. We use the shadowing method. That means you listen, you repeat, you speak out loud, relax your shoulders, take a deep breath, and let's begin your path. Many people grow up with only one idea about money. They hear, study hard, get a safe job, work for a salary, and that sounds good. But later, life feels heavy. Bills arrive every month. Time disappears. Energy goes down. And people start asking, why am I always working but never free? Today, I want to tell you about a young man named Leo. Leo learned about money from two very different people. One was his uncle, Martin. Martin worked in an office for 30 years. He was intelligent, organized, and careful. Every month he waited for his paycheck. He saved a little and paid many bills. The other was his neighbor, Samuel. Samuel did not have a big diploma, but he understood how money moves. He owned small businesses. He invested. He made money produce more money. Leo respected both, but their ideas were not the same. One day, Leo asked Martin, "What is the secret to a good life?" Martin answered, "Security. Finish school. Find a stable job. Don't take risks." Then Leo asked Samuel the same question. Samuel smiled and said, "Freedom. Learn how money works. Don't only earn money, teach it to work for you." Two answers, two paths. And Leo stood in the middle. Lesson 1. Don't chase money. Build systems. Leo once said, "I just want to earn more." Samuel replied, "That is the trap." He explained, "Most people run after money. They work more hours. They get tired. They spend more. And then they must work even more. It becomes a circle." Samuel said, "Instead of chasing money, build something that creates money. A system, a business, a skill, an investment. If you only trade time for money, time will always limit you." Repeat with me. I don't chase money. I build value. Lesson 2. Income is not wealth. Leo believed rich people just earned more. Samuel corrected him. He said, two people can earn the same salary. One becomes free. The other stays stressed. Why? Because wealth is not income. Wealth is what stays after you stop working. If your money disappears every month, you're not building freedom. Samuel asked Leo, "If you stop working today, how long can you live?" That answer shows your real wealth. Repeat, wealth is time, not just money. Lesson 3. Train your mind, not only your wallet. One afternoon, Leo said, "I can't buy that." Samuel stopped him. He said, "When you say I can't, your brain sleeps." Then he changed the question. How could I afford it? That question wakes the mind. It pushes you to think, to learn, to create. The words you use shape your future. Instead of saying, I can't, say, how can I? Repeat, my mind looks for solutions. Lesson 4. Fear is a teacher, not a boss. Leo wanted to invest, but fear held him. What if I fail? He asked. Samuel nodded. Everyone feels fear. The difference is what you do with it. Some people run from fear. They hide in comfort. They stay small. Others study fear. They learn from mistakes. They grow. Samuel said, failure is not punishment. It is information. Each error teaches you. Repeat, I use fear to grow. Lesson 5. Small actions create big change. Leo thought wealth needed big money. Samuel laughed. No, it needs consistency. He taught Leo. Track your spending. Save something every month. Invest small. Reinvest what you earn. Keep learning. Money grows like a plant. You don't pull it. You water it. Little by little. Day by day. Repeat. Small steps build big futures. Lesson 6. Control emotions with knowledge. Samuel told Leo, money is emotional. Fear makes people freeze. Greed makes people rush. Both destroy decisions. But knowledge creates calm. When you understand money, you panic less. You choose better. You move with clarity. The more you learn, the less emotions control you. Repeat. Knowledge gives me control. Lesson 7. Think like a creator, not a spender. When Leo walked in the city, he only saw shops. Samuel trained him differently. He said, don't ask, what can I buy? Ask, what can I build? A cafe is not only coffee, it is a system. A house is not only walls, it is a tool. Creators grow, spenders consume. Repeat. I think like a creator. Lesson 8. Habits decide your future. Samuel finished with one truth. Your daily actions write your destiny. If you save a little, invest a little, learn a little every day, your future changes quietly. Pay yourself first. Be patient and help others grow too, because value always returns to the one who creates it. Repeat, my habits build my freedom. Now, my friend, you did more than listen. You practiced English. You trained your speaking. You shadowed real sentences. You're not studying English. You are using English. Come back to this practice. Repeat it. Speak it. Live it. This is the Path English, and I'm proud of your effort. Keep walking your path. See you in the next lesson.